Welcome to Famety. Today we will talk about our Facebook Share service. One of the most popular social media platforms is undoubtedly Facebook. As of 2021, Facebook has 1.69 billion users worldwide. One of the most helpful features of Facebook to increase your visibility is the Shares feature. When you are surfing through social media, you have probably seen a lot of content owners say, "Please be sure to comment, share, and like." Well, these are not just for putting a smile on the content owner's face. They ask for your interactions for a reason, to get on the top of the list. Post shares you will buy for your posts on Facebook will strengthen the image of your brand's Facebook page or profile and help you gain popularity. If you are running any business on Facebook, the share feature will be useful for you. If you want to generate higher interaction rates rather than receiving shares from only your friends, you should buy Facebook post shares from Famety. If you want to buy Facebook post shares, please follow these steps. Copy and paste the URL of the desired post to the given box. Into the next box, enter the number of post shares you want to buy. The total cost of your purchase will appear on the screen. Double-check it to prevent any inconveniences. You can hit Add to Cart or Buy Now to go to the payment page. Finish the payment process. Have fun getting popular with our high-quality Facebook shares. Thank you for your purchase. The shares you bought will appear in your post as soon as possible. We hope you like our service. Keep in mind that for any questions or problems, our WhatsApp customer care service is 24/7 online and ready to assist you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.